All right. I'm gonna bomb one way up top and then kind of work it all the way back down here. Bomb one of that slower, swirly water over there. But there's enough current today that it should pull me right through there. There's a lot of water to fish in this hole, but I've fished it often enough that I sort of know where they sit. Oh, fish on! Fish on camera, baby. No way. We did it. Oh shoot, that's a bright one too. Only use an 8-pound test as my leader. Let's get this done. Okay, let's try to make sure we're nice and easy on this fish. He's in this faster water here. No way. First winter steelhead on camera, guys. First winter steelhead on camera. Let's try to work him down here. Got the net in one hand. It's a really good sized fish here. It's in that faster water now. It's a good sized fish. Oh, he's going for a run. He's going for a run. And he's jumping. I don't know if that was on film. He's all tangled up. Oh no, he's all tangled. He is all tangled. He's going downriver on me. No. There we go. He just untangled. Let's see if I can keep him before he goes down that tail out. No, please don't. Oh, he's going down the tail out on me. God damn it. All right, guys. Prepare for a ride. It's about to get bumpy. Let's see if I can throw my net down there. Okay. He's right here, holding this quick water. I think I've got a good hook set on him. He's got me in this fast water. Gotta maintain tension. Gotta maintain tension. He's still in the fast water. We still got him, guys. We still got him. There's this boil right here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. I don't know if you guys can see this here, but I've got him on. He's in this fast water. I'm gonna try to bring him down to this. Woo! I'm out of breath. He's right here, holding in this fast stuff. I don't even think he knows. Oh my god, this is so intense. Okay, there's a pool right here where we can bank him. There he is, right out in front. It's a nice native. I have to release this fish. Okay, nice fish. Rod tip up. We got him. We got him. We got him. Oh my god. No way. Oh. Oh. What a buck. It's a nice native buck. We're gonna let him go. He's all wrapped up. Beautiful buck. Beautiful buck. Just thick too. Let's keep him in the water for just a second. Let him chill out. You see that hook placement there? Wow, this fish is cold. There's a hook right there in the corner of his mouth. I'm gonna make sure it's released unharmed. But what a fish, guys. Came out here in the pouring down rain, freezing cold conditions. I'll tell you what, it's worth it. It was worth it. Let's make sure this fish gets released unharmed. Beautiful native steelhead. All right, guy, you're good. You're good. I know you want to kick off. There he goes.